Welcome to MTB 103. It's not 101 because 101's for beginners.
We're your hosts. My name is Trevor Parks.
And I'm Tyson Pfeiffer. And MTB 103 is a fun and lighthearted look at the sport of mountain biking, created just to help you have more fun on your bike.
Tyson and Trevor are not mountain bike coaches. They are two dudes who purchased mountain bikes during a pandemic. One is a comedian, one works in internet security. Both are ninjas. Watching this video will help you have way more fun on your bike. Enjoy.
If you're anything like us, you bought your first mountain bike during this pandemic. Maybe from a local bike shop, or Facebook, or even Walmart. You took it out on the trails like twice, and naturally you're now a professional mountain biker.
And clearly that makes you a prime target for Spider Mountain Bike Park in the heart of the Texas Hill Country. And if that sounds like your summer of 2020, this is a perfect video for you to see all the mistakes we made with our trip to Spider Mountain.
So, without another word, get ready for the do's and don'ts of your first trip down Spider Mountain.
Before you get to Spider Mountain, be sure to take some time to learn this very helpful phrase.
Hey man, you okay? Whoa, you okay? Hold up. Hey man, you okay? All right.
Oh, man down. Ouch.
Hey man, you okay? Whoa, you okay? Be safe. Whoa, you okay? Hey man, you okay? You all right, man? Hey man, you okay? Everybody okay? Do we need calls? Hey man, you okay? Somebody from the front?
Yeah, they're getting somebody right now.
Okay. No problem, guys. Be safe.
As you can see from that video clip, Spider Mountain is no joke. We saw a human yard sale on the side of the trail all day long.
Even the easy trails, itsy bitsy, can develop some serious speed, so be sure to check your brakes before hitting the hillside.
We recommend you go with a full face helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, just protect yourself head to toe, alright?
And if you don't have gear, you can rent that stuff for as low as $25 and look like an expert and just blend right in with everyone else.
You won't look like a newbie. Rent the gear if you don't have your own. And definitely don't worry about what kind of bike you brought to Spider Mountain.
You can have a hardtail or full suspension. You'll see the whole gamut on the hillside.
We both brought hardtails right off the rack and we had a blast.
And if you want to look like an expert on the trail, you can also rent full suspension, high-end bikes. Have them available there at the hillside.
Do choose a route down the mountain. Once you take the chairlift up to the top, look at the map. For your first ride down, I recommend taking the itsy bitsy green line from top to bottom.
Like most ski mountains where they are easy to hard, they have green, blue, black. You get to do itsy bitsy and you can go through all of them.
Our favorite route, the one we did the most, was Antidote, which was a blue line. It's a jump line. It takes you back to the itsy bitsy, which is the green line, which goes into one of our favorites, the Venom. Venom starts off super rocky, very technical, but then you get to this big sweeping dogleg left. You just put the gas pedal down. It's 3 big jumps in a row. You just let it fly.
It was sick. And if you really like wood features, be sure to check out Tarantula. It's loaded with really challenging wood features, especially the Texas Flag Wall Ride, which is surrounded by really high and some sketchy wood features as well, but it's an awesome one for sure. All right, one big don't use your car GPS.
Trevor got a new fancy van and we tried the GPS system. It totally took us to the wrong place. Spider Mountain is not on Spider Mountain Road. We may or may not have gone down this dirt road for like 5 miles and we passed the no trespassing signs and we opened 4 gates that were unlocked and just hauled ass through there.
And there may or may not have been a cow.
Hi.
Cows. The right address is right here.
First run. Lift up.
Before we leave, we want to give you some great advice so you'll enjoy your trip just as much. Get there early. It's totally worth it to wake up before the sun comes up, hop in your car, van, truck, spaceship, whatever you have, get down to Spider. We're going to edit this part. Spider Mountain.
Here's what you should bring. Ice pack.
Yes.
Advil.
Yes.
Band-Aid.
Ice chest full of your favorite drinks, food.
Or chair. Maybe a little pop-up shade.
Yeah, did you already say sunblock? Maybe some bug spray. What's the last thing on the list here?
Tools. Lubes.
Dude, bring your tubes and lubes and your tools. In case you break your bike, you can fix it.
All right, first trip down with GoPro. No crashies.
Hey guys, keep watching after the credits to see our favorite runs on Spider Mountain.
In the comments below, thumbs up, some thumbs down, what you want to see. Like any content that'll help us, help you have more fun on the trail, because that's what it's all about.
See you on the trail.
See you on the trail. Have more fun on the trails.
Here we go. Antidote. Venom. Hope you're good. Hold on, let me just slide through. Had to work on some skill technique right there. Squeeze through those guys. Alright. About to start the fly zone. Fly through. Here we go. Love this flow through here. Oopsie. Right here's where the kid had to go to the hospital earlier. Dangerous. Sweet berms through here. Berm the tree. That's it, guys. That's a wrap.
Lean back. Lean back. One.
Take one.
Take one. Hopefully we can do this in 2 takes.
I'm gonna go with the over.
Okay. We're already planning our second trip back to. Two. We're doing 2 takes. You didn't even get to say a word yet. Take 2. To end this video, we're gonna give you some advice for your first. Take 3. All right, you won. I didn't even get to your part. 3, 2, 1.
Before you get to
Knee pads, Ebo pads. All right, here we go. Choose a route down the mountain. Take the chairlift up to the top, look at the map, and find your best. Ooh. Ready? And choose a route to get down the mountain. Take a chairlift. And choose a lift. Lift up, lift down.